Hello everyone. Today, I am going to explain unit testing and integration testing, which are two very important levels of software testing. These testing methods help us make sure that individual parts of the software work correctly and that different parts work properly when combined. Software testing is carried out at different levels to ensure quality. Unit testing and integration testing are performed before system and validation testing. They help identify defects early and ensure the software is reliable and stable. Unit testing focuses on testing individual units of a software application. A unit may be a function, method, or module. The main goal is to verify that each small piece of code works correctly on its own. Unit testing is usually done by developers during the coding phase. Unit testing is important because it detects defects at an early stage of development. Since each unit is tested separately, debugging becomes easier and faster. It improves overall code quality and reduces the cost of fixing bugs later. Unit testing also helps developers make changes safely without breaking existing functionality. The unit testing process begins by identifying individual units to be tested. Test cases are written for each unit and executed separately. The actual output is compared with the expected output. If errors are found, they are fixed and the unit is tested again. This process continues until the unit works correctly. After unit testing, integration testing is performed. Integration testing focuses on testing the interaction between combined modules. It checks whether different units communicate correctly and share data properly. The main aim is to detect interface and interaction defects. There are different approaches to integration testing. In top-down testing, higher-level modules are tested first, followed by lower-level modules. In bottom-up testing, lower-level modules are tested first and then integrated upward. In Big Bang testing, all modules are integrated and tested at once. Each approach has its own advantages and disadvantages. Integration testing is important because it ensures that all modules work together smoothly. It helps detect interface errors and data flow issues. By testing module interactions early, it improves the reliability and stability of the system. Unit testing focuses on individual modules, while integration testing focuses on combined modules. Unit testing is done first and is usually performed by developers. Integration testing is done after unit testing and focuses on interaction between components. Both testing levels are essential for building high-quality software. Let us consider an online shopping application. In unit testing, individual functions like login, add to cart, and price calculation are tested separately. In integration testing, we test whether login works correctly with the cart and whether payment integrates properly with order processing. This ensures smooth end-to-end functionality. To conclude, unit testing and integration testing offer many benefits. They help detect defects early, improve software quality, and reduce maintenance costs. They make the system more stable and reliable. Together, they ensure that the software is ready for higher-level testing and final delivery. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of unit testing and integration testing in software development. I'm happy to answer any questions or discuss further if needed.